Stay tuned. Help me menu plan, Dad.
Yeah, that's fine.
But I don't know if I want to do this one or the zucca.
I would do the zucca. That's what it is. It's like what the French call millefeuille.
I feel like maybe we should make this. It may be nice to have something smooth.
We
don't have a potato mill or a ricer. I'm not making mashed potatoes.
I have it.
Oh, well, there's your ricer.
I'm not taking any chances with these potatoes again. Where the crisis happened. I was so excited to use the ricer and it immediately broke.
See? Voila.
So are we making pommes puree?
No.
So then why do we need this?
Yeah, but you're gonna do pommes puree crunchy.
What?
No.
I thought it was crispy pommes puree. Something cheesy.
This is like when I was a little child. This is what I saw every day.
Okay, so this is the final list. For appetizers, we have octopus terrain, bacon wrapped stuffed dates. Mom's making her charcuterie board. I'm gonna make some focaccia. For pasta, we're making tortelli di zucca. You're taking on prime rib, so this is the star of the show. Then we have a ton of side. Broccoli rape with parmigiano and Calabrian chili oil and lemon. We have nonna's peppers. We have nonna's carciofi. We're doing triad of roasted mushrooms and crispy smashed potatoes with a chimichurri sauce. And then for dessert, I'm gonna make panettone tiramisu, and we're gonna roast some castagne or chestnuts.
Is that it?
I mean, you think that's enough?
Alright, let's go shopping.
Let's go.
This is how you compare. If you want juicy limes, they have to have a smooth skin, not this orange peel kind of look. When you grab them, you feel it's like a ball full of juice, while this one is stiff and spongy.
It's not gonna be me, but we gotta get him away. We gotta start cooking. Always put your cart back. The ones I wanted, and we got the other ones. Should I get these two? I don't really want the other ones now. We got the goddamn nutmeg. I'm sorry, I shouldn't swear. It's Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
And happy holidays! Today, we need to do all of the prep work for tomorrow. So first on my list is making the filling for my stuffed pasta. I'm also going to make my pasta dough, my focaccia dough, and then get my panettone tiramisu done, because the longer that sits in the fridge, the better it's gonna get.
They have to cook slowly at the beginning, and then we can crisp them up.
So now these are gonna go in the oven, which is at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour until they are fork tender. So here I have a strainer that I've lined with what's supposed to be cheesecloth, but in this case we're using gauze, which has the same idea. And I'm gonna scoop out the flesh of the butternut squash and add this into the bowl and let it steep and release excess moisture overnight. I have to crack 24 eggs and separate the egg whites from the egg yolk. I got tired. And you know that it's ready when it has a Play-Doh-like consistency, when you press it in and it lightly springs back, just like that.
Alessandra, how do you feel right now?
Francesco, please.
You could get blue for it, right?
Now we're starting the panettone tiramisu. We are going to be separating out the egg whites from the egg yolks, and then we're gonna beat the egg whites into stiff peaks and then make a yolk mix with mascarpone and some sugar, and then fold them back into each other, dunk the panettone, and assemble the tiramisu.
It feels so good. Yeah.
It is Christmas morning. I am reading through my cookbooks, getting the final pieces of knowledge that I need to make this all come together. Squash right in here. I'm adding whipped ricotta, a pinch of salt, a cup of finely grated Parmigiano Reggiano, black pepper. Key to anything with squash, a little bit of freshly grated nutmeg. Don't buy the pre-grated one. Grate it yourself. It's so much better.
Should we stay at home? It feels so good. Yeah. It's Christmas time.
3 hours till guests are arriving, and we are a little bit stressed, but we are rolling the pasta. We've got many sheets of pasta. I have the filling ready in the fridge, and now I need to put that in a piping bag, cut the pasta, fill the pasta, shape the pasta, and then we gotta make the focaccia. Then we gotta make sure the potatoes are ready. We gotta make the bocca di labe. Will we get through? I think so, but stay tuned. First time in forever, there'll be music there, be light for the first time in. Wait, what if I meet the one?
Alright, we gotta cook. Come on.
Imagine me down and all, virtually draped against the wall. The picture. Next up, we're making gorgonzola stuffed bacon wrapped dates. So I'm gonna take a little piece of gorgonzola cheese, put it inside of the date, just like this. Then I'm gonna take my bacon, and these are really long for how small these dates are. So I'm actually gonna cut them in half and roll it up. And then I'm gonna put them cut side down on a parchment lined sheet, and then we'll bake them at 400 degrees for about 15-20 minutes.
The going gets tough, the tough get going.
It doesn't suck. It's time for the spaghetti score.
So after 2 days of planning, prepping, and cooking a storm, the final Christmas dinner is served. We have everything plated. We have the beautiful prime rib made by Francesco, 6 different veggie side dishes, an extra side of sausage, just in case there wasn't enough meat. I'm so blessed and grateful to have you as part of my family, and I'm so happy to share my cooking and love of cooking with you all. It really is the biggest joy to see people enjoying the food that I make. So let's all raise a glass Merry Christmas. Thank you for my family for helping me create this meal and setting this day. My mom, my brother, my dad, and for all of you for coming to enjoy it.
Thank you for feeding
Buon
us.
Natale, Merry Christmas,
Happy New Year.
and Happy New Year.
Doesn't suck.